So I had a student of mine ask me the other day, he feels very left behind in AI. You go on YouTube, you go on X, you see everyone build these crazy AI workflows, AI ads and automation, landing pages and automation. It's hard to figure out what to focus on, whether it's more creatives or doing more AI stuff. What should you actually do? What should you actually know when it comes to AI? I think it's a big spectrum. When AI tools first came out, a lot of people thought they could just automate all of their ad creatives to AI. They tried to do it. Turns out they got more volume out, but less good ads. Turns out not scaling. Whereas there are some chat scalers that don't even care about AI and focus on high intent ads, one ad a day, and somehow they scale to 100K per day. Where is the balance? So I think it's very important that all of us know how to use AI properly, but not to the extent where you're always up to keep up to date with these small little trends that people come up with, like open claw, which turns out now doesn't do anything for you at all. So the first thing I want you to think of is just what can you currently replace with AI in your workflow? You're not trying to look for the shiniest tool out there that you don't even know of and then using it to find problems. The whole point of AI is what problems are you currently facing in your workflow and what solutions are there? Very important distinction because people see tools like Fable 5 and think, new tool, let me find new problems to solve with it. It shouldn't be the right mindset behind it. Me internally as well, our team, you even have a CTO we brought on just to focus on all of this AI stuff because it's not really possible for you to keep up with all the latest trends unless you have someone dedicated to it, which I, my CTO, had to do it. Even then, he can keep up with all the new things that are coming up. So if you brought down the first principles thinking is just what can you currently optimize with your workflow, your creatives, for landing pages, if that's already part of your current workflow, how can you use AI to execute it even better? People are using AI to one shot their landing pages right now. That can work really well still. Don't need to learn how to code anymore. What do you need to know still? What does good copywriting look like? What does a good funnel look like? You have those two. You can put it into AI. You can give it your best ad, give it the breakdown of what's your best ad, and it can just one shot a congruent landing page for you. Same thing with ad creatives, right? You still need, end of day, the ability to do copywriting to see what is good at and what is not, then using AI to amplify what you're currently doing already. So that's the whole mindset when it comes to AI. I think it's really just keeping this thing simple. You don't need to overcomplicate it. You're always not left behind. Learn how to use AI, but you don't need the shiniest tools. It can be even as basic as using AI to help you with part of brainstorming when you do research. That can work also. The thing is, there are still dudes right now who are chat scaling six-figure days and barely using any AI at all. So don't need to feel like you're too left behind in this subject matter. And I think the important one as well is just AI enabling your team to figure out how to use AI for themselves, not just you as a business owner just trying to tinker around with AI. Ideally, every single person in your team has some acumen in AI. We've managed to gotten our team to do the same thing. Our CTO has been training our team as well. Each team member in our team is figuring out how do they currently optimize their workflow with AI. Let's say my video editor, for example, he was figuring out, okay, he spent too much time making AI animated ads. Maybe he spends 8 hours on each of them. How can he build an AI workflow, AI system or tool that helps him reduce the time there? And he did so. He reduced his time by 4 hours by creating his own AI tool. My operations manager, it's too hard to go on these multiple dashboards to figure out payouts and whatnot. She built out her own system and dashboard to be able to do that. Same thing, payouts as well. Payouts to my editors. There's too many of them with our editor community. I need to pay out 300 of them. It's a bit tedious to calculate what's my percentage of ad spend for each of them. Right now, my CTO built out the whole workflow to automate the process. The way we are using it, it's not any insane tools. It's just what's our current workflow that we're currently using. How can we just then simplify and automate it with AI? Finding problems that we're facing first and then finding the solution, not going out on these Chinese tools and then finding problems after. I think that's the main way that we're approaching AI in this day and age.